Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Nissan Tiida ST hatch, stock reference number 4299. The shape runs from the 9th month 2004 through to the 1st month 2013. It has an MR18 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MR18 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, both radiator grills. It's got a tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight. Left hand headlight does have light sun cracks. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Both left hand doors have light wobbles and a previous repair. Left rear, 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Tailgate appears to have no damage, non-spoiler type. Right hand tail light. Right rear, 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right power door mirror, 3-wire type. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got an automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heating controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no audio controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.